Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring a common issue that many developers face when working with Kubernetes applications. Have you ever encountered a situation where your application is unable to retrieve the IP address of the client? This can be frustrating, especially if you're not sure where to start troubleshooting. In this video, we'll dive into the possible reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how Kubernetes handles client IP addresses and what you can do to overcome this challenge. So why does Kubernetes struggle to retrieve the client's IP address in certain situations? To answer this question, let's first understand how Kubernetes networking works. In a Kubernetes cluster, each pod has its own IP address, which is used for communication between pods. However, when a request comes from outside the cluster, the client's IP address is not always readily available. One of the primary reasons for this issue is that Kubernetes uses a concept called load balancing to distribute incoming traffic across multiple replicas of an application. When a request reaches the load balancer, it forwards the request to one of the available pods. However, in this process, the original client IP address is often lost. Another reason for this issue could be related to the way your application is configured. If your application is behind a proxy server or load balancer, the client's IP address might not be passed along correctly. To resolve this issue, you'll need to configure your Kubernetes application to properly handle client IP addresses. One approach is to use an ingress controller, which can preserve the client's IP address and pass it along to your application. For example, let's say you're using Nginx as your ingress controller. You can configure Nginx to use the external traffic policy option, which allows it to preserve the client's IP address. Another approach is to use a service mesh like Istio or Linkerd. These tools provide advanced networking capabilities that allow you to configure how traffic flows between pods and services. With a service mesh, you can set up policies that ensure that the client's IP address is preserved throughout the request path. To summarize, the main points we covered in this video are: Kubernetes may struggle to retrieve the client's IP address due to load balancing or application configuration issues. To resolve this issue, you can use an ingress controller like Nginx and configure it to preserve the client's IP address. Alternatively, you can use a service mesh like Istio or Linkerd to set up policies that ensure the client's IP address is preserved throughout the request path. That's all for today's video on resolving issues with retrieving client IP addresses in Kubernetes applications. We hope this explanation helped clarify things for you and provided actionable advice on how to tackle this challenge. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on Kubernetes and cloud-native technology. Thanks for watching.